What is good, everybody? It is the Guitarist here. Welcome back to another video. And on this channel, we do guitar tutorials and guitar reviews. So if you guys like that, please hit that like and the subscribe button down below. And hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on another video. I upload every day. If that's an interest to you guys, please subscribe and like. And leave a comment about what you want to see next. And so today's will be on this. If I can edit that in right. Thunderstruck by ACDC. So without further ado, let's get right into it. As always, I will have the tabs right here in this area. And, well, let's get started, guys. If you guys do want to see more of I have a whole playlist now of all my guitar tutorials, and that'll be linked below. And thank you to Simon for helping me kickstart this channel. To kickstart the new era of this channel. Notification. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So we will start on the B string. I do not have distortion on. And for this, we will not need our whammy bars. So if you have yours on and you can take it off, just take it off. But you won't be needing that today. Yeah, this will be the beginning part of Thunderstruck. So without further ado, let's go to the B string. It's for open, open 4, open 7. So like this. We just repeat that. Okay, then after we do that a few more times, we'll be moving up from 4 to 7 to 5 to 8. Like this. So 4 open, 7 open, 4 open, 7 open, then we move up. 5 open, 7, 5 open, 8 open. Like this. And have fun playing that fast, because I'm struggling. Now guys, if you guys do like this series, please give this a like. We are on the road to 300 subscribers. We are 6 away from 300, so if we can make that happen, that'd mean the world to me. So, yeah. Make sure you do it fast. I'm trying my best to make this video as long as I can make it, but that's literally all it is. It's literally all it is on Thunderstruck, the beginning part. In the next video, I'll be teaching you guys how to play the Star Spangled Banner in the next video. See ya.